Hello everyone, today I am at Sribadam Waterfalls. I have been here before. I came here at least almost a week back, and I thought this Sribadam Waterfalls has been opened, but it turns out that the Sribadam Waterfalls was just inaugurated yesterday by Mr. Uday Gurung, CCF of the Forest Department, and Aaron Chasar, the local MLA of Soring Rinjapum constituency. And here I'm at waterfalls with my mom. I decided to bring her here to observe. It has a beautiful pine forest. I'll be showing you the pine forest. Waterfall. There is two sides to visit. One, you can travel from the upper way, from which the waterfall is very close, and the other section is this road from which you can come and visit. And from here the view is very beautiful. I think this is fresh water. Amma, can you hold the phone? Let me tell you something about the water that my grandfather lived till the age of 95, and my grandmom lived till the age of 95. My grandfather lived till the age of 99. 100, right? So when I asked them that how could you live for such a long time, they told me they used to drink water that naturally grows in this region. Aramai, Palaka pani, it's very fresh. Hard to find unadulterated water these days. When I was young and I used to get thirsty, I used to drink water that flows naturally in this region, and I used to feel better. My gas problem and a lot of problems used to be treated. I just had to drink this water. This water is very delicious, it's tasty. If I could package this water and sell it, this would be so good. I think it's better than that alkaline water or the black water which celebrities drink. This is far much cleaner and tastier. So now we are returning back from Sribadam Waterfall, and look at this beautiful pine forest that covers the area. And just yesterday our CCF sir and MLA sir planted here along with the forest officials. You can see some twigs. These are the places that they have planted. I hope they left sufficient space so that other trees do not have to compete for nutrition. Look at the height of this tree. They must be around 30 or 40 feet. It's a very beautiful dense forest. The beauty of this forest is that it's open. Sometimes I guess bear, leopard and other animals also might visit here. So as a forester myself, I would like to suggest anyone who likes to visit such forest to always walk around with a group and never to visit such places after 4 p.m. because many animals such as leopards, they tend to visit such places. They get active to hunt around this time. They sleep during the daytime and in the evening they come around. But I don't think it will be dangerous because there are people living nearby. They will walk in their own pace. They won't be visit this region, but we can never say never. So we should always be careful while visiting such sites. But nevertheless, it's a beautiful place to visit once in a while. Family or your friends or your partner,